We are pleased to show you the 2024 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine and standard airbags and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, tires front all season, tires rear all season, wheel covers, front wheel drive, remote trunk release, steel wheels. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.